Welcome to eVidya Bug channel. From today onwards, we'll learn about English grammar. In that first chapter, first thing is we are going to learn in today's session is what mean by sentence and how many types of sentences are there, what mean by predicate, and some examples on those things. Okay, let's move to sentence. What mean by sentence? When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups and expresses a complete thought. Means when we speak, what we do? We use words. We use words. Right? When we speak, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. We use these words in terms of groups and expresses a complete thought. That is nothing but sentence. Okay, how many types of sentences are there? Types of sentences which we are going to use in daily life are four types. What are they? First one is declarative sentence. Or assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative. Imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, what mean by declarative or assertive sentence? These sentences are those which make a statement. The statements, the sentence which makes a statement or assertion or the declarative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those which asks a question. Okay, and whereas imperative sentences are those expresses command. Whereas exclamatory sentences are expressing strong feelings. These are the four types of sentences which we use in our daily lives. Next, move to concept, that is sentences consisting of subject and predicate. Each sentence consists of subject and predicate. Okay, when we make a sentence, okay, see, we use two steps, that is we name some person or thing, right? person or thing. And the second step we do while using sentence is we say something about that person. Something about that person, right? Let's see some example. That is Bill. Example for this one is Bill writes good poem. Writes good poems. See here, if you observe first thing here, this one first sentence, we name some person or thing, right? Here we named the person as Bill, and second step we say something about that person. What we said here about the Bill, we said that he writes the good poems. He writes good poems. So we can say that this is subject, and we said something about this subject that he writes good poem, that is nothing but predicate. Okay, what you observe here, every sentence has a subject and a predicate. Okay, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about that subject is called the predicate of the sentence. In this way we can say. Now move to some examples. Example 1. If you try this one, it is easy for you. I shot an arrow into the air. I shot an arrow into the air. In this sentence, which is the subject, which one is the predicate? I is the subject. What I did? I shot an arrow into the air. This total is the predicate. Okay, here said something about this subject. Here subject is I. What I did? Just shot an arrow into the air. That is a predicate. This is total. This thing is nothing but sentence. This is first example. Next, second, bad habits. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Bad habits grow unconsciously. In this sentence, bad habits are the subject and grow unconsciously is the predicate. Okay, this total is the sentence. Subject plus predicate is the sentence. Next, move to third example. The earth revolves around the sun. Around the sun. In this, the earth is the subject. Okay, revolves around the sun is the predicate. The next, let's move to one more example, that is borrowed garments. Borrowed garments never fit well. Never fit well. Okay, borrowed garments are the subject whereas never fit well. Borrowed garments are the subject, means we are saying something about these borrowed garments. What we said here, never fit well. Okay, something about these are never fit. So we can say this is the predicate. Next, move to last sentence, that is the early bird catches the worm. In this sentence, which one is the subject, which one is the predicate? The early bird is the subject, whereas catches the worm is the predicate. Okay, these are the 5 sentences. Let's move to 2 more. You have to try this one and give comment in the comment section which one is subject, which one is a predicate. Okay, the singing of the bird delights us. Singing of the bird delights us. Second one, nature is the best physician. Nature is the best physician. Physician. Just write in which one is the subject, which one is the predicate in these 2 sentences. Okay, just write in comment in comment section. Thank you very much, and keep in touch with eVidya Bag. Thank you.